Kini gadi gajing Thombor jengki Pulit jeka Assam hakasunang Malangkhona ke bahap apa West Kasir District menen kasih ke arpajuk jembang arajar arpuar. Laban kedohang dia bakal Malangkhona haswa ke jengki penipur Assam bat Mekhlea ke hap apa Mekhlea. Ini hadir ke MOU penipur ke Assam bat Mekhlea lapan hap lo sepo Assam. Bat ki Paidbah na ketika senang kila persyak jur. Ya kadi ke MOU berdasarnya Pdeng ke Mekhlea bat Assam malah penhap jubor jeki sepo Assam. Dr. Mukul sangma nangilam jong kaliang persyak bat menteri rang ba barim jong kejela. Ula padam jor ya kan ke jinglek jengki Pulit Assam. Baru ulang bakal jeng Thombor ya ka hok ke jongki. Haka juga po ula ongru bagi don ki an jong ka Sorkar Pdeng ki bala penjor da ka parlimen. Badi ban kami ya ke bekom kin ki beriu. Mar baru ki beri ki basong hakani ke senong ki de ki rulum. Bada ka juga poru ula ong badi ban kami ya ki Katkum ki an ki bala menjor da ka parlimen bat kini ki an ki longru amla setia ban ba jamin.
Responsibility of both the states is to ensure that we do not create any situation wherein our citizens have the reason to have sense of insecurity. This responsibility lies with both the state governments. Okay. And this issue has been discussed in 2010 and agreed mutually to ensure that there is no situation created by anybody from either from the side of the state of Meghalaya or from the side of the state of Assam, so that the citizens residing in those areas of difference are not subjected to have any kind of sense of insecurity. Forget about the kind of scene that you have seen yesterday, which require to be taken cognizance of by the state of Meghalaya, and they should have an immediate meeting between the two states. We must prevent any such incident from now on. And please remember, this population which they are targeting belongs to scheduled tribe. There are many laws passed by the parliament. Prevention of atrocities against STs and SCs. Plus, many laws preventing women from any high-handedness. And also the question of the responsibility of any government to respect the human rights. If you see in the whatever visuals are available in the video captured, you see that there is an abuse of human rights, and there is an intentional and deliberate attempt to infuse a sense of insecurity and fear amongst the tribal population, which is a violation of the relevant provisions of the law passed by the parliament to protect the STs and SCs. And they are, please remember, they are non-bailable sections. And also attempt to have the kind of abusive languages against women. These are all condemnable, and I condemn the action of the authorities from our counterpart.